Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Force Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer. In this video, I'm going to show the initial setup and give you my first impressions on the T-Mobile Revvl 2 Plus. But before I get into that video, check this out. Okay everyone, so you picked up the Revvl 2 Plus. You want to know how the setup goes. I'm going to actually show you how to do that in this video. I'm going to go through the initial setup, then I'm going to come back and give you my first impressions on the T-Mobile Revvl 2 Plus. So let's get this video going. First thing, I didn't mention this in the unboxing. It does have a big chin on the bottom and on the top. Even though it has the new resolution, the 18:9, still has some bezels on the bottom and the top. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. But let's get this started. I'm going to put my SIM in there in a little bit. Let me put my Wi-Fi code in here. Alright, so my code is in there. Now it's asking me for my email address. So let me go ahead and put that in real quick. Alright, so say it's getting the information. Unlock with your fingerprint. Just touch the fingerprint sensor to unlock your phone. I'm going to say next. I'm going to do the pattern. Can always change that. So I'm going to locate the fingerprints. Not too bad. Especially if I hit it right. So it says it was added. Let's see if I can add the same one. So nope, it won't let you add the same fingerprint. So you better have this one set up good. It's actually pretty quick. Oh, I can do Face ID. Alright, so let's try this out. That was actually pretty quick. So right here it's saying set up auto updates. I'm gonna just save it, I don't care. You probably should read that. I'm gonna do no thanks. Bam, there you go. That's the initial setup. Let's go into settings really quick. I want to see how much storage you have right out the box. Bam, I'm using 7 gigs out of the 32 right away. We will definitely get into that more. So this was just the initial setup part. What I'm gonna do now is pause the video. I'm gonna put my SIM card in there and use it for a little bit. Come back, let y'all know what I think about the phone overall. And until then, peace. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so I'm back. I've been using the phone for a few hours now. I'm gonna give you my first impressions of the T-Mobile Revvl 2 Plus. Yes, there's some things I like, some things I don't like. Let's get into this video. In the beginning of this video, I'll show you how much storage I had without my apps. Now I downloaded all my apps on here. So let me go into this. As you can tell, I'm using 16 of the 32 gigs. Is that horrible? Nope. But once you add some photos in that video, it will definitely take up a lot of space. So that's the storage. The battery life, I'm at 16%. I haven't put it on the charger all day. So it's been doing pretty good. I'm gonna come back and let y'all know about the battery life in a later video. As you can tell, I downloaded my favorite clock app. Okay, one thing I already don't like about the phone is I can't move this Google search bar at all. Look, bam, it won't move. It just looks weird to me. Is it a deal breaker? No, but I'm giving you my experiences with the phone. I tested out the speakers earlier today too. I know it's $252, not the greatest. Stay tuned, I'm gonna put this against my Nokia 7.1 on a speaker challenge. We're gonna see which one actually has the best speaker. When I was playing some games on it earlier, it did seem like it lagged a little bit. The speaker wasn't that loud either. Stay tuned, I will make a gaming review of this phone to see if you can actually pick this up and actually game on it without having any problems. But so far, I don't know, it wasn't the greatest. Now I did take some photos. Take a look at these photos. I'll be right back and y'all gonna let me know what y'all think about them. So peace. Okay, everyone, so let me know what y'all thought about those photos in the comments below. Yes, it takes pretty good photos during the day. Nighttime or low lights, you can totally forget about it. Yes, I'm gonna do a camera test. I will put this against my Nokia 7.1 and even maybe my LG V40 just to see how good these cameras really are. So stay tuned to the channel. I will definitely have that comparison and the video test coming up soon. Okay, one thing I want to let y'all know is that the cameras on the rear can only shoot at 1080p 30 frames per second. There's no 1080p at 60 or even 4K at 30 frames per second. Is that a deal breaker for you? Let me know in the comments. For me, I would have to get used to it. I'm used to having at least 4K at 30 frames per second. But I understand it is a budget phone, mid-range phone, so sometimes you can't get the 4K at 30 frames per second. The next thing I want to talk about is the fingerprint and the face unlock, how fast that is, and then my overall experience so we can wrap this video up. But the fingerprint scanner is not the quickest, as you can tell. I mean, you can see it there. Bam. It's a little slow. I mean, it does unlock your phone, so y'all let me know what y'all think about that. It's not the quickest, but it definitely works. Now, in the face unlock, that's a hit and miss. Sometimes you gotta bring it close, sometimes you gotta bring it forward. But what y'all think about that? Look. It's not too bad, but the overall experience with the phone, it's been good so far. Haven't had any type of lag yet. I know, Joseph, you only been having the phone for about 5 hours. I know, I will keep on putting it to the test. If I see any type of lag, any type of hiccups, y'all know I will definitely let y'all know in a video coming up. So stay tuned to the channel. Y'all let me know in the comments any other videos y'all want to see. You know I'm going to do the gaming review, the speaker test, the camera review, and my comparisons. But if y'all can think of any other videos, let me know in the comments. We definitely get this going. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the T-Mobile Revvl 2 Plus. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.